Alright class, so today we're going to be talking about urban green spaces, and why they're so important. Essentially, these are areas of vegetation within cities, parks, community gardens, even street trees, and they play a vital role in the health and well-being of urban populations. First, let's consider the environmental benefits. Urban green spaces can help mitigate the urban heat island effect. This is where cities tend to be significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas due to things like pavement and buildings absorbing and retaining heat. Trees and other plants provide shade and release moisture through transpiration, which helps to cool the air. They also act as natural air filters, absorbing pollutants like carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Now, that brings us to my next point, the social benefits. Green spaces provide recreational areas for people to exercise, relax, and socialize. Studies have shown that access to nature can reduce stress, improve mental health, and even boost creativity. Think about it. Isn't it more relaxing to walk through a park than a busy street? Furthermore, green spaces can foster a sense of community. Community gardens, for example, provide opportunities for people to connect with each other, share knowledge, and work towards a common goal. Keep in mind that urban green spaces can also have economic benefits. They can increase property values, attract tourism, and even provide employment opportunities in areas like landscaping and park maintenance. So, to wrap things up, urban green spaces are much more than just pretty additions to a city landscape. They are essential components of healthy, sustainable urban environments, offering a multitude of benefits for both people and the planet.